Our local coverage continues now with a look at the steady and troubling increase in opioid-related overdose deaths. This year's number is already more than last year's total, and that was high enough for officials to declare a public health crisis. Today, Governor Charlie Baker met with law enforcement to discuss legislation. New at 6, we're talking to a recovering addict. Eyewitness News reporter Perry Russum joins us now with more.
The White House says more Americans die every year from drug overdoses than in car crashes. In Massachusetts, police tell us the number of opioid-related deaths are increasing. Dartmouth police say in the first half of this year, there have been 684 opioid-related deaths in Massachusetts. Comparing the statistic to this point last year, the number of deaths is up 6%.
The disease of addiction doesn't discriminate.
Opioid addiction is what Kelly Gregson is recovering from. It started for her with Percocet.
I was a 32-year-old mother of 3, working at a very good job, living in suburbia, driving a minivan, and it didn't matter.
Today, Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker met with members of law enforcement to detail his new opioid bill, a plan the governor unveiled last week. It includes a 3-day limit on first-time prescriptions for opioid painkillers, or when the prescription comes from a new doctor. The governor argues what he calls the overprescription of painkillers leads to addiction.
People think that once a person has actively abused a substance or substances like myself, that they can never change. And the reality is that's not the truth.
Nationally, the president looking to take this on as well. He's calling for more training for drug prescribers and increasing access for drug abuse treatment. I'm Perry Russum, Eyewitness News.